Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve a daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the daily set. So what do we have is that there are 9 teams in the 5th edition of Indian Premier League held in April-May 2012. Now the tournament was organized on a double robin round basis in which each team played against the other 8 teams exactly twice in the preliminary stage. Now in every match, 2 points were awarded to the winning team and no points to the losing team. Okay. Then at the end of the preliminary stage, the teams were ranked 1 to 9 on the basis of points scored by them, and the top 4 teams advanced to the playoff stage. If 2 or more teams score equal points after the preliminary, their ranks were decided on the basis of the net run race. Now the first match in the playoff is called Qualifier 1, played between teams ranked 1 and 2, and winner of this match advances to the final of the tournament. Second match called Eliminator was played between the teams ranked 3 and 4, and the loser of this match got eliminated. Okay. And eliminated from the tournament, and winner went on to play the loser of qualifier 1 in a match called qualifier 2. Okay, so it's a basic IPL structure. Okay, so winner of qualifier 2 meets the winner of qualifier 1 in the final of tournament, and every match of the tournament produced a result. So there are no draws. Okay, so chalo, let's move ahead, and it's a very good set on games and tournament, guys. So what is the total number of matches played into the tournament? So total number of matches played is, see, when it's a robin round tournament, okay, whenever it's a robin round tournament, what happens is that the total number of matches that you have is basically like it's a robin round tournament has a n into n minus 1. Sorry guys, n into n minus 1 by 2 games. But since every team is playing twice, okay, every team is playing twice, this is what going to happen. Now 9 teams are there. Okay, so 9 into 8, 72 games in the preliminary round. Then qualifier 1, eliminator, qualifier 2, and the final. So 4 more games. So in total we have 76 games. So the correct answer is option number D. Okay. Now moving on to the second one, what do we have is what is the minimum number of matches that a team had to win to play the final of the tournament. Okay, to win the final of the tournament. तो बॉस अभी देखते हैं minimum number of matches we have to calculate. ठीक है. So among the 4 teams we have qualified, we have 2 games. See, if you try to get a team to the first or second, so they have to definitely win a good amount of number of matches. Okay. And from there you can have, yes, 1 match into qualifier and then to the final. Okay. And whereas if you take 3 and 4, they will have to play 2 matches, that is 1 eliminator and 1 a qualifier. Okay. So there what is going to happen is, boss, minimum number of matches there you have to, okay, there's a difference of 1 match coming up. Okay, there's a difference of 1 match coming up. Okay, but that difference is, you can, lower it down in the preliminary stage if you want. Okay, so what we are going to do is, what you basically do into these matches is that the minimum number of matches whenever we are talking about. Okay, so what you do is that you rank the first 3 teams. Okay, so let's say first 3 teams are ABC. Let's say the first 3 teams are ABC. Okay, now the total number of matches played by ABC will be what? So boss, total number of matches played by ABC would be, now A is going to play 16 matches. Okay, because every other team, other 8 teams. Now B ke liye A you remove, so you have 14 matches. And C ke liye you remove all those with A and B, that is 4 more matches, and you're left with 12 matches. Okay, so in total what they have played is 42 games. Okay, 72 games were there in the preliminary round, 42 they have already played. You are left with 30 matches. And what you're going to say is that they have won all these matches. Okay, so they are ranked 1, 2, and 3. So that is how you minimize it. You take the 4th team and give it the minimum number of wins. Okay, acha, out of 9 teams, 3 teams are gone, you are left with 6 teams. Okay, you are left with 6 teams. Okay. Now when you are left with 6 teams, what you will do is, boss, now these 30 matches, you have to have 30 results. Okay, but you have to minimize. Okay, you have to minimize. So what you will say is, boss, you have 30 results, you have 6 teams. So what you will say is 5 wins each team. Take, it could be in any order. Take 5 wins each team. And it has been said that the 4th team could be selected on the basis of net run rate. So you can just imagine that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all these teams have equal points. That is 5 wins, let's say 2 points each of each match. So all have 10 points. But any team which is the 4th one has the best net run rate. So let's say it's a team D. So with team D, with 5 wins, has reached the eliminator. So eliminator it wins the eliminator, and then it wins the qualifier 2 and gets itself eligible for playing the final. So how many matches did it play? Only 7 wins it has, not play, wins. 7 wins that they have. That means option number B is the correct answer. And it's a very good set on games and tournament, guys. If this concept becomes clear, maximum minimum question of games and tournament you can very easily solve. Okay, so for minimizing, you minimize the 4th team. Okay. Now moving on to the third question that we have. So what is the maximum number of matches that a team not qualifying for the playoff could have won in the preliminary stage of the tournament? So boss, maximum number of matches we are talking about, like, that a team not qualifying for playoff could have won. Okay. So in this, what you are going to have is, boss, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions are there. Okay. Because it is the 5th team which is going to lose out, right? It is the 5th team that is going to lose out. Okay. So let's say these teams are A, B, C, D, and just imagine these teams are A, B, C, D, and okay. Ab boss, see, what is going to happen is ki between them, how many matches they are going to play. So by A is going to play in total by 16 games, B is going to play 14 games, C is going to play 12 games, D is going to play 10 games, and E is going to play 8 games. Now this is with respect to when you, like for B you leave A, for C you leave A and B. So apart from like A with all you have, B apart from A you have. So this is how I have written, like 14, 16, 12, 10 and 8. Now these teams, they have 60 matches, and that means another 12 matches are left. Take another 12 matches are left. You have 4 teams left. You divide these 12 matches into 4 teams. That is 3 matches each team is going to win. Okay, 3 matches each team is going to win. Okay. So what is going to happen is that by now in these 60 games, okay, in these 60 games that they have, these 5 teams have, every team can win 12 games each. Okay, every team can win 12 games each. And after winning, every team winning 12 games each, what is going to happen is that E is going to lose out on a net run rate situation. Acha, now if someone is having a question, ki boss, why didn't we divide exactly 72 games among these 8 teams? Okay. So if you divide 72 among 8 teams, sorry, 9 teams, you get 8 wins for each. So that is not the maximum. Acha. Then what do we have is ki chalo 72 among one team is going to lose all the games. So 72 is to be divided among the 8 teams. Then also you have 9. So this is how you get ki boss, how to like maximize the number of games and still not qualify for the playoff. So what you do is basically, ki boss, whatever rank is the last rank, like after the playoff rank, whatever is the first rank, like first four are going to the playoff. So right after that, the first rank up till there you take and you divide the games which they are going to play among themselves, like the order in which I have written, and divide them equally. And the remaining games, divide them equally among the remaining 4 games. So from here we get that option number 8, 12 is the right answer. So with this, the set is complete and hope you have understood the set well, guys. Thanks for watching the video.